JamFlexx World.
People, hear me I say, you see, if you don't have no vehicle or keys insurance, me I beg you no. You don't take it from over there. I be a thief over there. The company is a very dishonest company and a be a thief. Now I'll tell you something happened to me. Imagine in the last year, October, a taxi brother drive a car with insured the keys. Run up in my car, right at Hanover Street and East Queen Street, is a near Central Police Station. Them don't report the accident and then don't report the accident to the insurance company. Now the driver, Wayne Bryan, see me? That brother yeah, Wayne Bryan, 52 Oliver Road, and that the the address, out of Rockford. Him no report the accident and the owner for the car named Sean Johnson. We get to understand they come from a South Barrel or Portmore there. You understand? He says a police. Them no report the accident, you know. You know, listen me good, you know. Them no report the accident at police station. Them don't report the accident at the insurance company Keys. The accident happened on a Sunday. Monday morning early, me call Keys Insurance, run the license plate and ask them if they have insurance. Them tell me yes, insurance is on the vehicle. But explain to them and tell them so their car there was in an accident with my car and stuff. Them say nobody no come make the report yet and that kind of something. Them no make no report. Keys turn to me and say, yo, them have 1 month. And listen to me good enough people. Say the owner for the vehicle have 1 month. We insure the vehicle have 1 month to report the accident. If them don't report the accident within a month, me have to prove to them say the accident happened. The month pass. Me prove to them say the accident happened. Do me assessment report, make mechanical report, all documents needed, submit to them. All of a sudden Keys come tell me say the owner for the vehicle send them receipts say him sell the car. From April. Bear in mind, you know, the car run taxi on the road in October, you know, my accident happened October the 6th. And the man said, Keys said, the man sell the car from April, the 24th of April, 2024, the same year. So if him sell the car in April, or the same owner of the vehicle run taxi till October with insurance upon it, up to date license, up to date fitness and everything, but still owner tell me say him bring evidence say him sell the vehicle, and the same time owner say owner go block him so he can't insure no vehicle no other place. And him, me have to go sue him. All that sound. So insurance upon the vehicle, them no report it, and when me approve to say the accident happen, all of a sudden the man no own the vehicle and him just write up on receipts and sell the vehicle and not accept that, and so I can't fix the vehicle. These are the things in Jamaica I can't deal with. Too much corruption. And then now the insurance company can tell me say me if I go sue the owner because him breaching policy. Me no business if a man breaching policy or not. A man mash up my vehicle and him have insurance for the man for the vehicle and him wrong. So if him breach him policy, fix my vehicle and una work out for nothing. These are the things me I tell you. So right now, me have to search for this brother yeah. They must say quoting this and that. Me say on fi avoid Keys Insurance. Me have more than one experiences. There's a company and a company and me enough people talk about them, but me feel it for myself. Keys Insurance, people now avoid them and me need to find a brother yeah. Wanna help me find a brother yeah. See me yeah? Wayne Bryan. And the other brother named Sean Johnson. I have a picture for him, but I'm not going to show the picture yet. The owner for the vehicle. Because I don't have it for me right here. So. Sean Johnson. From a South Barrel address in a Portmore. We need to find them people. And Keys Insurance only is a dirty thief.